how to buy dust token. Now this token, it's not released yet. It's just they will do an airdrop later. So for now you can just collect the token. So I will show you how to do that. But before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and collect the token of that project, so go and check their X account and keep following their updates. So if you click on their official website, you will be able to redirect to this page. Now click on enter app. So select your wallet from here. I will select the Phantom. So after that, what you need to do, just log into your wallet first. Now click on connect and click on confirm. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to load this page and enter the app. So as you can see, if you have a referral code, you can enter it here. So if you don't, just click on start. Now click on next, as you can see. And now check this Mon, because this project is under the Mon project. So this is the owner of that token. Now click on join. So as you can see, wait a few seconds and click on enter app. So here what you need to do, if you want to collect tokens, you need to play this game. Now click on play lasso. So now just click on this to be able to enter the game and click on this icon. Just keep clicking to pass this. So as you can see, and now click on this. So as you can see, now click on start lesson and just make sure to click here. And as you can see, open the price from here. So just open it, click on it here. And as you can see, you have 100 points. So keep doing that to collect the tokens. So after you collect the tokens, what you need to do, just go back here and claim the token that you collected. So this is how to buy the dust token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.